Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to my channel. This is an arts and crafts channel, and what I do is I like to try out and play around with arts and crafts. I've quite a stressful job as an academic, and coming home and doing some arts and crafts I find really enjoyable. My studio, as you can see around you, is quite small, but it's very packed. I do lots of different things in here, painting, alcoholing, sorts of things, and when I see something on a video or on the television, I just want to have a go. So my video will just show you me having a go. Don't ever be afraid of getting up and thinking I can have a go at that. You don't have to be perfect. Things get better as you practice. My dogs are very much involved in my channel as well, so you'll see them popping up, making comments throughout the channel. Please just enjoy it and like and subscribe if you like what you see.